Hi guys, this is a quick video on a review of quiz 7 for 161, Mat 161. First, notice my shirt, isn't it great? It's 3D, isn't it? Doesn't it look 3D? Anyways, these questions are all basically taken from my math lab because I had a hard time figuring out what to give you guys for questions. But the first question has to do with PEMDAS. You guys remember that from high school, I hope. What do they stand for? Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Or the other acronym is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, right? So if we had a problem like this, guys, what would we do first? We're going to do the multiplication and division before we do the addition and subtraction, right? So probably how I would look at this is I would go, okay, 3 times 4, we have to do that first, that's 12. And then we have 2 times 6, that's also 12. We still got to divide it by 3 plus 5, right? So then what do you do next? You got to do division before you do the addition, right? So you still have a 12, but now you got 12 divided by 3. That's a 4 plus 5. And then you would go straight across, and I think that's equal to 21. Just add. Okay, then there's some problems in here that have to do with the distributive property. So basically, you've got to distribute the 6, distribute the 6, distribute the 6. Maybe before we add, we could have just added and then multiplied by 6, but let's use the distributive property, right? So what would you do? You would do 6 times 5 plus 6 times 3 plus 6 times 2, right? So that would be 30 plus 18 plus 12, which I think is 60 if you do that out, guys. And then there's at least one problem that has to do with FOIL. Remember, first, outer, inner, last. These are all in the notes, guys. So what do? You multiply the 2 first, guys. So it would be x times x. Those are the 2 first. Then O stands for outer. So you would multiply the x by the 2. Then I stands for inner. So that would be the 2 inner guys. 1 times the x. And then L stands for last. So you multiply the 2 last guys. So I think you get x squared, because x times x is x squared. You have 2x plus 1x. Add them together, that's 3x. And then 2 times 1 is 2. So that would be your answer for that one. Okay, so basically you just have to, I would do that section, what section is this? In, I can't remember what section it is, but look through your math lab sections. And they have to do with PEMDAS, distributive property, and FOIL. And I think you're good. If you have any questions, you know you can email me and ask me. Okay, so that's it for that week. See you later.